friends, today you are going to make a paper turkey craft. First, get some glue and put it on a big circle, a big brown circle. And now get your medium brown circle and put it on top to make flippity flip, the head of the turkey and the body of the turkey. Now, it's time for the eyes! Hooray! You will need 2 black circles for the eyes that are medium, 2 big white circles, and very small white circles, or squares. Now, get some glue and put on the white eyes. The very big ones. See? The very big ones. And now, do the exact same process for the other one. And done. Now, you have 2 eyes on the turkey. Yay! And now, get to the black pieces. See? Ta-da! And put some glue on them. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Glue, glue, glue. And now put them in here. Ta-da! And now do the exact same process for the other one so that the glue becomes good. Ta-da! Now you have 2 eyes for your turkey. Hooray! Gobble gobble. And now get to the very small white ones and put some glue on. Do-do-do-do. Oh, so cute. And now do the exact same process for the other one. You have made a paper turkey with eyes. Yay! And now for the beak. For this step, you will need a paper diamond, which is yellow. And now put some glue on the yellow paper diamond and stick it right over here. Ta-da! You now have a turkey with its beak. Gobble, 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 gobble. And now it is time for feathers. Yay! You will need 4 orange feathers. 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 With the letter F. And now you will put some glue on the feathers with the pointy tip going here. Let's flip the turkey so that there are no eyes. Let's put 2 in the middle on this side and 2 in the middle here so that we can add more feathers, but a different color. Guess in the comments which color would be next. Yay! We did 2 feathers on one side. If your feathers need more glue, don't worry. Just put more glue. Ta-da! A turkey with 2 feathers. Gobble, 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 gobble. But the turkey is still not done. Oh no, I'm not done. Don't be sad, turkey, because we're not done yet. But you will look beautiful when we're done. Yay! Now do the exact same process for the other 2 feathers so that there are 2 feathers on each side. Yay! Gobble, 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 gobble. And now for the red feathers. Hooray! Did you guess in the comments that they were red? If you did, you're right. And now it is time for the red feathers. Where are we gonna put them? Said the turkey. We're gonna put them on the side. Put some glue on one feather and now put it here. Ta-da! Let's put some more glue so that it's stuck and it doesn't fall off. And if accidents happen, don't worry. Accidents always happen in a craft. Do-do-do-do. It's time for feathers. It's time for feathers. It's time It's time for feathers. Yay! Adding some more glue. Adding some more glue. Now this craft is almost done. Yay! Now the turkey has 2 red feathers and 4 orange ones. Now add the other red feathers to the other side. So now you will have a turkey. But we might not be done. Ta-da! Uh-oh, it does not look good. Let's flip it over to see if it's good or not. Oh no, I looked bad. Don't worry. If your craft looks bad, just add some more glue and put it here. Now get the other red feather and do the exact same thing. Ta-da! The turkey! The turkey! The turkey! Gobble, 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 gobble. But we're still not done. What's left? What's left? You need hands. For this step, you will need 2 triangles which are brown. Let's put one hand here and another hand over here. Ta-da! Gobble, gobble! Now we have hands! Gobble, gobble! But we're still not done. We need 2 triangles with 3 points. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now put some glue on the top of these ones. It's a little triangle. And stick it here at the bottom. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, the turkey is almost finished. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.